Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. I'm very excited for today's painting. It's gonna be on this 32 by 32 inch canvas, so it's quite big. And I just created this smaller painting, this one, and I've ordered more than 30 of those small canvases because I'm planning to create a mini series. Well, it's not so mini, but the canvas are mini in comparison to these. And it's perfect to test out some color palettes and some compositions. And even though I don't like purples and pink so much, we're entering spring and this is radiating happiness. So I want to create a painting with a similar palette, a similar composition. So let's see how it goes. So let's get started on that. So of course, keep your eyes out for my mini series release. I'm planning to make one of those smaller paintings every day. I really use them as study projects really, but of course I want to create some beautiful paintings on there. And I'm adding, or maybe this time I've already added more videos to my botanical course. So if you're interested in learning what I'm doing here, then go check out my course. It's linked in the description. All right, I do want to create my own color here. I have a violet red by Amsterdam, and I will be mixing that with some red one. Let's do it. All right, I love that color. So let's start painting here. Yeah, I really like this color. Right, but I do want a background color as well. I want to keep some negative space there and maybe some there as well. See how nice and blended this is starting to look. But the canvas might be too wet now to start adding some very dark colors. So I think I need to wait just a little for that and start working with this brush. It's a lot more purple than I wanted. This is throwing me off, I didn't expect this color to pop up here, so. Alright, it's fine. I'm more purple than pink at the moment. Right, I do have some interference blue, and that would create this beautiful shiny violet. And I'm keeping this part quite light because I already know later on I will start working with a lot more dark colors. So probably I will add here some more dark colors, but first, let's not do that. It's truly a beautiful color. Let's start with white. This always looks super crazy. It's still a little bit too wet, you see that here? This is beautiful. let's leave this alone for now. Let's just start mixing this all together or something. We need more purple, don't we? I know for sure I have a dark violet somewhere. I need to find it. Alright, found it. Dioxazine, purple, very dark. Yeah, so what's happening now is I'm taking very long. So my canvas is really starting to dry here. It's fine, but I need to wet my brush then. Let's leave that. Not too mad about it. There's so many shades of pink, so many shades of purple. This is a very long process, I can tell you. Probably you're just a couple of minutes in this video, but I'm painting for a very long time already. Alright, so now we got our flowers. So now it's time to fill it up with some more leaves. I think this part is too vibrant for me. Now it's so much easier to work on a smaller canvas, and then if you want to duplicate it on the on the big canvas, it's a different ball game. Really, let's bring up totally up to there. Still think this part is maybe too dark. Can add some white to it? No, I really need to find a way to start finishing this painting. Right, so probably that part is too dark there. Like this stroke, that part. Then let's add some white. Are getting somewhere though, but I would like if this now overlaps a little bit here, because now it's so hidden. You see? This part is gorgeous. Alright, well, Wouter called it. He says, leave it alone, let it dry, come back later. So, I always listen to my man. I'll be back.